Hey, good morning. So I'm here in Port Sulphur. Gonna see if I can find some trout. Hopefully I run into some redfish. So y'all stay tuned and I hope y'all enjoy it. This your first time here, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment below, let me know what you think. So y'all stay tuned. Nice trout. I was actually just about to reel it in to cast her back out. Look at that. Nice speck right there. Ah, another damn hard head. Got one on the gulp under a cork, little speck. Look at a little trout. Not too bad. There we go. There we go. What we got? What we got? Oh, it feels like a catfish. Yep. God damn it. I got one now. I don't know what it is. Ah! Second time I lost it. It wasn't even fighting. I think I snagged them. Alright, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Caught a few fish. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know what y'all think. Now do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Peace.